Welcome to the session number 3 from the playlist of properties of matter. The topic is the Hooke's law, and based on this topic, I have written here 6 bullet points which will describe this topic in brief. So, as per the Hooke's law, for any body within the elastic limit, the stress is directly proportional to the strain. So, since stress is directly proportional to the strain within the elastic limit for any body, then the ratio of stress to strain will be a constant for a particular body, and that constant is called the modulus of elasticity. Now, the modulus of elasticity are of 3 types, that is Young's modulus, bulk modulus, and the modulus of rigidity. So, Young's modulus is the ratio of the normal stress to the longitudinal strain. A normal stress is equal to F upon A, where F is the restoring force, A is the cross-sectional area, delta L is the change in the length, and L is the original length. Bulk modulus is the ratio of the normal stress to the volumetric strain. So now normal stress is equal to F by A, and the volumetric strain is equal to delta V upon V, where delta V is a change in the volume and V is the original volume. The modulus of rigidity is equal to the tangential stress divided by the shearing strain. So this is equal to F divided by A into phi, where this phi is the shearing strain. Poisson's ratio is denoted by sigma. So this is equal to the lateral strain divided by the longitudinal strain. Now lateral strain can be written as the change in the diameter divided by the original diameter, and the longitudinal strain is equal to delta L by L. This is delta L is the change in the length, L is the original length, and this equation can also be written as delta R upon R divided by delta L upon L, where delta R is the change in the radius and R is the original radius. Now there are 3 important relations between the different types of the modulus of elasticity and the Poisson's ratio. So first one is the relationship between the Young's modulus, the modulus of rigidity, and the Poisson's ratio. So Y is equal to 2 times of modulus of rigidity and in bracket 1 plus sigma, where sigma is the Poisson's ratio. Second important relation is that Y is equal to 3 times of bulk modulus in bracket 1 minus 2 times of sigma, where sigma is the Poisson's ratio. And the third important relation between the Young's modulus, shear modulus, and the bulk modulus is that 9 upon Y is equal to 3 divided by the shear modulus plus 1 upon B, where B is the bulk modulus. So these are some of the important formulas pertaining to the topic of Hooke's law, and in the next session, that is in the session number 4, I will be taking, in the session number 4 and 5, I will be taking up 2 questions which will be based on this session. So, thank you very much for joining this session. Have a nice day. Bye.